Hi friends, today I will discuss arrays in Java. Actually, arrays are the collection of fixed number of homogeneous data elements. Homogeneous in the sense same type of data elements. That is either int, all the elements are int type or all the elements are double like that. The main advantage of arrays are we can use single variable for storing multiple values of same type. For example, here ARR is an array of type int with a size 5 storing these 5 elements. That is integers. So basics of arrays in Java. Array declaration. We can declare array using its data type, specifying its data type and dimensionality and array name. The type may be int, string, double, float, etc. Array name. We can give any array name here. Different possible declarations of 1D array are these three are the different possible declarations of 1D array. You can specify the brackets after int or before x or after x. These three are correct. So you should not confuse these in any interviews or in any tests. At the time of declaration, we should not specify its size. Otherwise, we will get a compile time error. For example, int of size 5x. So it raises an error. We should not provide size at the time of declaration. Next, we will see about 2D arrays. We can declare 2D arrays like in these 6 ways. We can specify two dimensions here after int or before int. This is not capital int, it should be lowercase. And you may confuse in many interviews about the dimensionality of arrays. You should remember all this to crack the interview. Next, creation of an array. To create an array, you need to allocate memory by using new keyword. Here, for example, creating an array of size 5 with the type int. So int numbers is equals to new int of 5. We have to provide here dimensionality. Yes. Here array name is numbers and the type is int and the size is 5. And the statement initializes the number array to hold 5 integers and the default value of each element is 0. By default, JVM allocates 0 value for all the 5 integers. At the time of array creation, we should compulsory specify the size like this. We must specify the size. Here, the array size is 10. If it doesn't specify any size, it raises an error. And one of the most interview question is, it is legal to have array with a size 0. It is valid. You may try in your compiler. It is valid. So we should remember this. And to specify array size, the allowed data types are byte, short, char, and int. This is also one of the main interview questions. So these all examples are valid. Here the size is 20. Here the size is char lowercase a. Lowercase a in the sense it is size 97. And byte b is equals to 12. We can specify size as b, so the size is 12. Like this we can specify. How to access an elements of array? We can access elements of array using indices. Basically, array indices are starting from 0. So whenever we declare, for example, we declare an array of size 3. Here, for setting the values, we use indices. For getting the values, we use indices. Indices plays main role in accessing the elements of array or updating the elements of array. Here we retrieved second element. So 20 is being assigned to constant k. And how to change an array element? Same, changing an element is done using indices. Array of 0 is equals to 12. This 10 is being updated to 12. And how to find length of an array? To find a length of an array, we have to use length property like this. Int array length is equals to array dot length. It retrieves the length of array. Here it is 3. That's all for arrays. We can go for exercise. Please pause the video and answer the question, then resume for answers. Which of the following is a valid array declaration in Java? So int brackets x after brackets after the data type, bracket before x, and brackets after x. These all are valid. So the answer is all of the above. Second, what happens if you provide a size during array declaration like int 5x? So it raises an error, that is it's not compiled successfully. The third option is correct. Which of the following is used to allocate memory for an array? Yeah, we have studied that new keyword is used to allocate memory for array. What is the default value of an integer in Java after initialization? For integers, default value is 0. Null is for string types. Which of the following statements is invalid in Java? First one is valid array with size 5 and size with 0 is valid and size with characters also valid. So option 3 is invalid. It raises an error. How can you access the second element of an integer array named ARR? So ARR of 0 is first element. So ARR of 1 is second element. So option B is correct answer. 9. Seventh question. If array is equal to new int of 3, so here array is of size 3 of integer type, and array of 0 is equals to 10, array of 1 is equals to 20, array of 2 is equals to 30. What will be the value of ARR of 2 after executing ARR of 2 is equals to 20? Here he updated the value at position 3 is equals to 25. Why I am saying position 3 in the sense it is 0 indexed. So ARR of 2 is at position 3. So what will be the value of array of 2? So 25 is the updated value. So answer is 25. Next question. What property is used to determine the size of an array in Java? Yeah, we all know that it is a length. It is not the method. It is only length property. It's a property, not a method. What is the output of the following code? Int ARR is equals to new int of 5 system.out.println ARR.length. Yeah, it's 5. Which of the following is a valid declaration of 2D array? First one is a valid declaration, second also valid, third also valid. So answer is all of the above. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.